Oh my gosh, what happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
Yeah, so I had my iPad sitting on the seat in my car, and my friend just kind of opened the door and didn't look down and just sat on it.
Oh my god, it's bent too now.
Yeah, I thought she just like broke the screen protector, but literally,
It's not the screen protector?
no. She literally broke everything.
Wow.
So, can you fix it?
Oh my gosh, yes, everything is broken and bent.
Yeah,
Damn. Don't worry, I got you.
thanks.
Look at this iPad. Still working. How bad is this? Unbelievable. We're gonna deep clean this as well, the back housing. Let's see if we can fix this one. Time to unbend this iPad. Cleaning time. You know what that is? Comment below. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, miss. Now everything is good to go. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. It's all good.
Check it out.
Yep.
Wow. Let's see. Okay. Nice.
Looking good.
Looking good.
Bend is gone.
It is, yeah. It's straight
No more
now.
bend.
It's straight now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be